Hi there and welcome to the walk around video of the BMW 420i petrol coupe here at Your Next Car that's finished in Snap Rocks Blue. So as you can see, we've finished this vehicle off with the Your Next Car performance kit. On the front we've gone for the gloss black front splitter, gloss black kidney grills. This vehicle is on the 2017 plate and it does have a facelift. So we have the facelift front lights, the facelift rear tail lights and a few other facelifted features which we'll get through in the video. We've also fitted the 20-inch 405M replica alloy wheels, which are all brand new with brand new tyres. We've got the gloss black air breather on both front wings. We've got the gloss black sidebars and satin vinyls with M Performance decals. Vehicle benefits from having privacy glass. Inside the vehicle we've got the stunning black Dakota leather, which in the front is heated, along with the electric lumbar adjustment on both passengers and driver's front seat. Inside the car we have the Grand Piano black trim on the door card inserts, dashboard, along with the brushed aluminium centre console piece, dashboard and door card pulls. The rear seats are all Isofix ready, along with being very clean and tidy, much like the rest of the vehicle. Moving around to the rear of the car, where we find the gloss black rear boot spoiler, and then the gloss black rear diffuser. And there is the facelifted rear tail lights, so now an all LED unit. Boot space on the 4 Series coupe is very good. The seats do also fold down for the extra space should it be required, along with the velour floor mats that belong to this vehicle. The Snap Rocks Blue is the new colour for this year BMW, and is again one of the personal favourites of mine. And we do also have the other Snap Rocks Blue vehicle there. Inside the vehicle, on the driver's side, we have the multi-function M Sport steering wheel. We have the superb 6-speed manual gearbox. Of course, both drivers and passengers electric windows, automatic lights and automatic wipers. The vehicle itself has covered just 29,000 miles, as you can see there. We also have the superb professional wide navigation and media. As you can see, it's got DAB and a wide array of multimedia inputs as well. The heated seats, which we spoke about. There's the navigation screen. Bluetooth communications and media. And if we click into my vehicle, we can view all the vehicle status, i.e. the service requirements. And as you can see there, it's not due a service for 5,000 miles. And it does have the recorded service that this vehicle would be required to have. The services on the BMW range is every 20,000 miles. So therefore this has got full BMW service history. We've got cruise control with a speed limiter function, volume control, voice control. All in all, an exceptionally clean and tidy vehicle, especially finished in one of the best colours. Okay, so that's pretty much going to finish off the walk around video for the 420i coupe in Snap Rocks Blue. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful, but most of all we hope to see you very soon here at Your Next Car. Thank you very much for watching, take care, all the best and goodbye.